How to use Sora app. So unfortunately, very limited amount of people right now has access to this OpenAI model, which generates just literally amazing videos just from your text prompts. And here's like what's the discussion goes on official OpenAI support forum, that it just says here that Sora is not a released product yet, and it is not publicly available, and there is no waitlist, and there is no expected release date. So this is just what like OpenAI admins tell you. So there is no that you can't just get on some kind of waitlist and get access to it. So it's not possible. It's only open. It's only open to very limited amount of beta testers. And then they will just make sure to update you when the waiting list becomes available. So people just write in where is the wait list, where is API access, and people just like, can you just use and test Sora? And so no, it's not available yet. So it's, and they just say here, there is no waiting list or any other means to gain access to the Sora model, unfortunately. So that's just the status right now. So what I can say, yeah, you can browse Twitter and you can search on Twitter that yeah, some people actually gained access and they just writing they can still provide additional access. I don't know how legit is that, or some people on Reddit, like whether they you can of course try to DM, like you can just search on Twitter or Reddit. Like there is some community which is obviously some beta testers. I don't know how many, like 100,000 people. And then maybe some of those you can, if you really, really want it, maybe you can just really DM them and just get there. But at the moment, there is no like any public means to get there.